A double doctorate and graduated with honors, but even with such an impressive resume, she was not successful in her interviews. Everyone agreed that Anna's medical condition made her unfit to be a teacher, until the day Anna got a call from her alma mater. They rejected Anna 5 times, but in the end, they were impressed by Anna's persistence. They decided to give her a chance. The principal took her to a class at the end of the hall. The classroom was empty. Anna was assigned to the worst class in the school. The principal told her that the students in this class had kicked out 7 teachers in 6 months. Now no teacher wants to teach them, so he had to give them a vacation. He advised Anna to reconsider. Anna said she had already thought about it, but she clearly underestimated the children. On Anna's first day on the job, she didn't go straight to her classroom. She went to the auditorium alone. It was here that the principal changed her life. As Anna reminisced about her past, suddenly, students pushed their way into the auditorium. They messed up the chairs in the auditorium. Some started putting on makeup. Some played cards. Others brought their pets. Some even started making bets. They bet on how long their new teacher would last. They were what the principal called the worst students. Some said she wouldn't last more than a week. When Anna